Constitution and type of constitution. Definition. Constitution is defined as the physical and mental makeup of the person, which is expressed through his physical build, character, desire, aversion, emotion, etc. The word constitution is Latin derived of constituere, which means to set up, to make up, or to establish. Dr. James Tyler Kent says physical constitution is the external disorder following disorder in the man person, the vital force. Type of constitution. Dr. E. von Grovel was a German homeopathic physician who classified human constitution into their different types: carbo-nitrogenous constitution, oxygenoid constitution, hydrogenoid constitution. Carbo-nitrogen constitution. This is caused by an excess of carbon and nitrogen, due to which tissue cannot absorb sufficient oxygen, which cause lack of nutrient, leading to deficiency disorder, which result in functional impairments. Physical feature. Mark obesity followed by emaciated in later stage. Skin dirty and unhealthy, which often offensive perception. Nails dry, brittle. Clinical feature. Disturbed function of mind and body organ like heart, lungs, kidneys, spleen, etc. Pulse rapid. Respiration fast. Shallow restlessness. Mind mostly tired. Individual dullness. Hypochondriacs. Irritable and highly impatient. Modalities. Aggravated by anything that increase use of energy. Example: overeating, exertion, sexual excess, etc. Amelioration by rest, balanced diet, sufficient sleep. Oxygenoid constitution. This type of constitution is caused by an excess of oxygen in the tissue, which disturb the process of assimilation and growth by breakdown of hydrocarbon in tissue and bone. This cause demineralization, which lead to destruction of tissue and bones. Physical features. Body lean, then cactic and prone to ulceration and self-destruction. They are scrofulous, rickets, anemic, and plethoric nail. Beautiful, most long. Clinical features. Nervous individual, which increase mental and physical activities. Have varicose appetite even during illness. Modalities. Aggravated by seizure, empty stomach, cold, change of weather. Amelioration by taking food, rest in rain, etc. Hydrogenide constitution. This type of constitution is caused by an excess of hydrogen, which lead to retention of water in blood and tissue. This condition make the body acidic. Physical feature. Abscess round, short-limbed and swollen. Bodily appearance. Hand oedematous, cold and humid. Skin wet from the sweating. Clinical features. Slow intake of nutrient, puffiness and retention of water in the body tissues. The symptoms are aggravated by everything which can increase the water molecule in the body. Example: bathing, eating seafood, etc. Symptom show periodicity and paroxysm courses. Impaired renal function. Complaint have been type of tissue growth. Patient in indolent, fatigue, slow and look like having no life. Modalities. Aggravation by bathing, eating seafood, vegetable having high content of water, cold weather, rain, etc. Amelioration by open air, warmth, movement, exposure to dry atmosphere, etc.